Hi guys, it's TIKA MARVO and today we're at Springton Manor Farm and we'll go inside the barn and touch some rabbits. Let's go in. This is the old barn and we can go inside and this is another farmhouse. We'll go inside and pet rabbits. Oh, there is a white rabbit and a brown rabbit. I think I want to pet them. They're so nice. And here's some old farm photos of animals and people and farmers. And this is the farm cart. And it is very dark in there. There, I'd go outside. And those are the shoes. And there are no horses in there. They might be outside. And even this doesn't have a horse also. The only animals we found in barn are rabbits. And here is a green tractor, John Deere tractor. And we'll go inside the museum. We are going inside. And this is these are all the license plates. Do you see all the license plates? And that's the this is the history of the farm. And those are the those are the farm tools. And I just opened the door so I can find goats in there. Different kinds of farm tools are there. It's amazing. That's an axe. It's a stick. And and other tools. Don't try to do this when you were at Springton Manor Farm. And I'm closing the farm door. These are the pictures of some old tractors. Let's go outside and see the animals. We'll go inside and see what's in there. And what? There's nothing in there. And no goats, no cows, no sheep. Maybe they're outside. Maybe we'll go outside and touch the animals. Let's go touch the goats. Oh, those are some cute goats. I'm gonna pet them. I am petting them. And those goats are not running away. And here is a white goat with the brown head. And I'm touching it. Do you see? and some more goats are coming over to me. These goats like it, and I'm feeding it. These are these goats are like humans, and there are few goats, not a lot of goats because of coronavirus, and we are going to touch and we are going to pet a donkey, and I'll they like to eat grass. I'll finish petting the goats first, then I'll go pet a donkey. And very nice to pet them. And I'm petting its neck, and it's eating the grass. And here the donkeys. I can't. What? I can't pet them because I couldn't unable to touch them because there are two fences, and I wish I could pet a donkey, but I can't. Maybe next time. But I can sneak. Maybe I'll go touch a horse instead. This is the big horse. I've never pet a horse this big, and and its back is soft, and I'm petting it. This is friendly. Horses like to be pet, and I'm petting its back, and there are two horses. I am petting it. It's the softest horse I've ever pet. This one's going away. I'll touch that one instead. I think I want to touch its head. I am touching its neck. And then those two farmers are there. And I'm touching its hair. And the sign says do not feed animals. I'll do the petting. And I'm touching its head now, and its cheeks, and its hair. It is very soft. The hair is stiff, like pigs. And I'm petting its neck and its head, and see, I am. I'll stay here and touch the. Pet the horse. Stay here. And touching its head again. It's just sticking its tongue out. I'm petting its cheek again. I'll stay here and touch the horse. Then I'll go to the pond and see some fish. And I'm looking at another horse I already pet, and it's sticking its tongue out again. And we will go to the fish pond and watch the fish. And these are the pond with fish, but th- that fish is not it's a big fish, but that fish is not a salmon. It might be a trout or a carp. Whoa. Can you spot the fish? Comment down below. And I can see the fishes, and it's a lot of, there's a pond. Oh, now you can see the fish, right? We'll go in the forest. Is our salmon? Wait. Uh, okay, guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye, everyone. This is the end of the video. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video.